Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about array. See, in the earlier video we have talked about the how to remove an element from an array in a JavaScript, and now you want to have suppose multiple values and you don't need to have a key. So let's say you have a lots of value and then you don't want to assign key to it. Okay, so maybe you want to work with the index values. Can we do it? So now if you are coming from other language like C, CPP and Java, most of the language has the concept, but if you are new, don't worry. Whenever you have a collection of values which you don't want, so maybe you can use number to represent, then we can use a concept like array. How do you create an array here? So let's say I want to create an array of number. So what we can do is to create an array, we can say that let values equals to array. Okay, so here is the array. So this edit is one of the syntax which we can follow for creating an array. So we can select numbers equal to new array, and now you can guess this is a constructor function, right? We are using a new array, so basically we are trying to create an object. And let's see another way to directly assign a value here itself. Maybe you can give square bracket and you can assign the values also. So we'll take here console.log in bracket values. Before that, this is our empty array. So what we have done earlier with the help of new array is same as this one. Both will give you an empty array. So can simply come back here and we can say console.log values. Okay, it will not print any value because it's a blank. So you can see guys, in output there is an empty array. Now how do we assign a value? Of course, there are multiple ways of doing it. So what if you know the values? Let's say we will take here as a values. So we have to write here in a square bracket. I am taking 1 2 3 as a value. So you can say got an array, we got an array with these 3 values. Okay, let's print and you can see we got an array with 3 values. That sounds so cool, right? Okay, can we just print length? I want to know the length of this array. Okay, so simply come back here and say length. Okay, so here I am taking the values as a 1 2 3 4 5. After that I am taking here as a like console.log values with the value. So value.length, and it will print the length of array. So let's check. So value.length, you guys can see here it will print the length of array. If we are doing console.log means numbers.length or any array's name.length here, so it will print length of our array. So now it prints 5, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Our array is of 5 number. Suppose if you have an empty array and you can assign value later, but how do we assign values later? In that case you can use certain functions. You can use function like push, or you can say methods, because this thing belongs to an object. So how to do it? Let's we can see now. Values.push in bracket 10. So value 10 will be assigned in this array. So when you say push, it will add an element to our existing array. So let's see in output. For this I have to remove this length from here. So I have removed that length. So let's check in our output. What's going on? Yeah, sorry, here is double S, no, values, values, checks now. It will add 10 in our array. Okay, so value 10 will be assigned in this array. So when you say push, it will add an element. I am taking here as 20, and once again I have run this code, so you can check, guys. Value 20 will be assigned in this array. Now I am removing values.push from here, and I am taking values here as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we will check here. Means we are taking here as index, means values in bracket 3. So you all know very well, array index starts from 0 as initially I is a 0, which means the first element of the array, right? So here as a 1 is on the our 0th position, 2 is on the first, and 3 is on the second. So there is a no element on the third place, so it will print undefined in output. So now we are taking here as a 2, so 0, 1, 2. On 2th place there is a 3, so it will print 3 on our output. So similarly, if we are taking 1, so it will print the 2 as output. Let's move towards the next. If I am taking string here rather on values, if I am taking Ram and Sham here, and if I am trying to do values of 1, so let's check it will print or not. See guys, in output we will get an Sham, because on 0th position there is a Ram, and in 1st place there is a Sham. So we get an output values of 1, that is Sham. I hope guys you are enjoyed this video, and let me in a comment section, and do subscribe for the video. So we will meet in a next video. So तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care.